Are you on the hunt for a functional family vehicle with reliability and safety? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan in granite crystal. With headlamps with turn-off time delay, tinted glass windows, 17-inch steel wheels, black door handles, power heated exterior mirrors with manual fold-away, power windows with driver's one-touch down feature, steering wheel mounted audio controls with 4 speakers, second row bench with third row 60/40 stow and go, 12-volt DC front and rear power outlets, electronic stability control, rear grocery bag hook, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 2430A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.